बोले श्री गणपति भगवान की जय। भवानी शंकर भगवान की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। ओम नमश्चंदिकाय। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपितजम्बो फलचारुभक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पाद पंकजम्। सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। वंदे देवमुमापतिं सुरगुरुं वंदे जगत्कारणम्। वंदे पन्नगभूषणं मृगधरं वंदे पशूनां पतिम्। वंदे सूर्यशशाङ्कवाहननयनं वंदे मुकुन्दप्रियं। वंदे भक्तजनाश्रयं च वरदं वंदे शिवं शंकरम्। बोले उमापति महादेव की जय। जगदम्बिका माता की जय। न तातो न माता न बंधुर न दाता न पुत्रो न पुत्री न भृत्यो न भर्ता न जाया न विद्या न वृत्तिर्ममैव गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी 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 गतिस्त्वं
गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी।
भवाभाव पारे महादुःख भीरु पपात प्रकामी प्रलोभी प्रमत्तः कुसंसार पारं प्रबन्धः सदाहं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी।
न जानामि धानं न न चाध्यानयोगं न जानामि तन्तं न चास्तोत्रमन्त्रं न जानामि पूजां न चान्यासयोगं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं
त्वमेका भवानी
गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
न जानामि पूजं न जानामि तीर्थं न जानामि मुक्तिं लयं वा कदाचित् न जानामि भक्तं व्रतं वापि मातर्गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं
त्वमेका भवानी
गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
ओ गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं
गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
कर्मे कुसंगे कुबुद्धि कुदाता कुलाचारहीन कदाचारहीन कुदृष्टि कुवाक्य प्रबन्धः सदाहं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी 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 गतिस्त्वं
गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
ओ गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी
ओ गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका
भवानी
गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी न तातो न माता न बंधुर्न दाता न पुत्रो न पुत्री न मृत्यो न भर्ता न जाया न विद्या न वृत्तिर्ममैव गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानी Bhavanyashtakam. The shlokas describing our relationship between the Divine Mother and ourselves, and more so what we are when we stand in front of her. Natato namata, the first acknowledgement we make is that in this world, na tato, na mata, na bandhur, na data. Every mother that is being given to us physically is a temporary mother. They will give you birth, someday they will leave or you will leave, and that relationship is broken. We must understand that in the human context of what we call relationship, it is only, that relationship is only alive, in most cases, when the physical person is alive. The minute that physical bond is broken, then what happens? That goes away, that relationship goes away. Although our Hindu philosophy has told us Matri Devo Bhava, Pitri Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, you can still have a relationship with those who have gone. But this shloka is saying, O Mother Durga, in reality, everyone will be gone. Brother will be gone, sister will be gone, everything will be gone. As a matter of fact, in some cases, they will remain on this earth but will never become yours. Lekin Gatistvam Twameka Bhavani. There is one that will never let us down. There is one that will never leave us. There is one that will never part with us. There is one that will never fail us. And that is Ma Durga. Gatistvam Twameka Bhavani. And that is why in life we can give up on many things, but giving up on the divine Ma Durga, not an option. When we give up on Ma Durga, it is like giving up on the lifeline. She's our lifeline. When a child is in the womb of a mother, the child is connected to that mother in a physical sense. If that lifeline is cut, the umbilical cord is cut, child loses oxygen. When a child takes birth, the child gets that oxygen not through a physical sense, but through love and through care and compassion. Mother gives. Same with her. When we lose that connection with the divine, then we have lost everything. We have lost oxygen, we have lost the purpose. God is like that in our lives, that when we have distanced ourselves, even for a little bit, we feel a sense of emptiness in our life. Bhavabdhava pare mahadukka bhiru papat prakami pralobhi pramatta. As we experience life, we will experience good and bad. Prakami pralobhi. We'll experience good and bad. This is life. I've said it so many times. What is life? Right? What is life? Life is not only made up of roses. Life is also made up of thorns. Remember, to get to the rose, you have to get to the thorns first. Life is not only made up of sunlight, it is made up of cloudy days and rains as well. Life is not made up of love alone. There's a lot of hatred out there, right? Life is made up not of sunshine, but of dark nights as well. So life is a mixture of good and bad. Dukh sukh dono rahte jisme jeevan hai wo gao kabhi dhoop kabhi chao. You know, so many poets and so on have written about it. Sometimes there are gloomy days, sometimes there are bright days. This is life. If we choose to embrace one aspect of life, which is all the roses alone and when darkness comes we cry, then we are choosing not to embrace life. We're choosing not to embrace life. If we want only the sunshine and only the sunny days and the beachy days and all that kind of thing, then that is not life. Rains will have to fall, night will come, clouds will come, cold days will come. So life is made up of the good and the bad. It's a mixture, it's a mixed bag of it. And that is why the self is like this. Atma tvam girija mati sahachara prana shariram graho. Although Shiva is the prana and the atma and the body and the soul and everything else, that is why inside of us there is a mixture of some things. Sabke hriday mein subudi or kubudi mein rehte hai. In everyone's self, inner, deep inside of us, there is some kumati and sumati residing. There is some good and there is some evil residing. The old story goes, if a cat and a mouse are fighting, which of them is going to win the war or the battle? And the answer is, it depends which one you feed less, which one you feed more. You starve the lion and you feed the rat, chances are he may die. We have to feed the goodness in us. We have to feed, nurture the flowers in us, right? Just like we do in the gardens. This is basic teachings. But why is there a need to remind ourselves every day when the teachings are so basic? Just like we eat the simple food every day, the dal, rice, and bhaji every day, it's the simplest things you can eat, but you have to eat it every day. Or whatever you eat every day, the simplest of things. Because it is a requirement to survive. It's a requirement to survive. So Mata is telling us here, in the process of living, good and bad will be embraced. However, When you do so, let her spirit, let her strength, her Shakti be that one that, of course, will take you across this ocean of life. Na janami danam na cha dhyana yogam. Oh mother, we don't know what dhanam is. We do not know about charity so much. Na cha dhyana yogam. Neither dhyanam, we don't know about, we try to meditate, but how much can we meditate to you? Na cha dhyana yogam. We try to practice yoga to make our body in the right geometry. Ashtanga yoga, hatha yoga, all this yoga. To make our body in the right geometry and set it in the right pattern to receive the world's grace. But how much can we do? Right? Na jamanami tantram, na cha stotra mantram. Are we looking for a right prayer to please her? Are we looking for a right shloka to please her? When you discover one is greater. How much can there be? Therefore, every day accept her. Gatistvam tvameka bhavani. Hema, daily and daily we will get and we will lose, but we will never lose you. For if we lose you, everything is gone. Najanami punyam. Najanami punyam, najanami tirtham. Punya and papa. You have heard about this before. Punya means your good deeds. Pap means your not so good deeds. I wouldn't say they're sins, because we have different versions of and different thoughts about sins. A lot of us don't even know what sins are, but let us look at punya and papa. It is naturally good to do good things. Not because you will receive good things as a reward, but just doing good things make a person good. Right? Doing good things make a person good. We do that in all aspects of life, I believe, but to the self. Do you know in most cases, our cars are maintained in a better fashion than the body is maintained? Yeah. In most cases, our cars or vehicles are maintained and cared for. Internally, we make sure that the right fluids go in the car at the right time. Do we make sure that the right fluids go inside of us? We make sure that the car is taken care of physically, internally, everywhere. If we apply some of that care to the self, there'll be a lot of changes and a lot of positive growth in our life. Right? That is called punya, is when you do good things. Simply put, good things. Good things in the sense you're doing good to yourself. You're eating when you're supposed to and how you're supposed to. Right? Vegetarians is a healthy meal, but you can eat vegetarian food in the wrong way and become the most unhealthy person. You know that. You can eat good food in a bad way and it can poison you. So, punya means treating yourself with respect and treating others with respect. That is called punya. Punya is not only giving dan and taking a picture out of it, giving, a bag of groceries. No. That is not so alone. It is good to help. It is good to motivate others to do that. But punya is about doing good to the self and doing good to others. What does that do? It elevates the feeling. When you do something good, naturally what happens? It elevates you. You know that. When you help someone, when you say something good about someone, not to praise them and to make them swell, but naturally to say something good about someone when they're alive, not in the funeral homes. It's a good thing. You feel good about it. Naturally, we are stronger when we pull up. You know that. All the muscles of the body, when we're pulling up, we can function more. We can pull more weights up than we can push them down. Naturally, we're built to pull up, to raise. But we're not built to push. And when we pull someone up, when we help someone, it is a very good feeling. You know that. But the minute, unknowingly even if we have done something wrong, what happens? There is a discharge of a chemical that is not so good. It's a lower feeling. Your day goes bad, even unknowingly. This is written in our scripture. Ravana, when he was going to steal Mother Sita, he is going to do something bad. He was dragging, he was shaking, his eyes were like, so vicious. Tulsidas described him like a dog dragging his tail on the ground. That is what happens when a person is doing bad things. It reflects in the body. How do you know when you're doing good and bad? Your body tells you that. Your body tells you, the minute you pick up that pen to sign that piece of paper and you're shivering and you're like, what am I doing here? Don't do it. The minute you're going to make a decision and you're like second guessing and you're half of your body shivering, your body tells you when you're doing something right or wrong. The minute you're going to pick up that phone and call somebody to tell them your peace of mind and your hand is shaking and you can't speak, put down the phone. The minute you pick up the phone again to text someone and tell them off your peace, put it down. Your body is telling you. Your body will tell you. And you see when the anger steps in, when the papa steps in, the non-beneficial act steps in, it really suppresses your functions. It suppresses your intelligence, suppresses your mind. Everything that you have worked for, it puts it down. And that is why it's important to be beside her. Be beside Ma Durga. And so, najanami pujam nachyana sayogam, punyan papa. Always do good things. And there's little sayings we have to go back to. If you cannot say something good about somebody, refuse to say something bad about them. If you refuse to do something good to someone, then refuse to do something bad as well for them. If you refuse to think good of somebody, refuse also to think bad of them. Because what you're doing, it's not about them, it's about you. You're harming yourself. You are harming yourself. Najanami punyam, najanami tirtham. We go to tirtha. Many of us have gone to Ganga and to take bath. But when we come out of Ganga, what has happened? Have we maintained that purity of life? When one goes to Ganga, you know how many janam, births of sins are washed away? This is the scriptures talking this. If you're a believer, you've got to go all the way. If you're a believer, you've got to go all the way. When you go to the Ganga, 3 janam, 1 dip, 3 birth of sins are washed away. But how many births have we taken already that we're carrying? 3 births of sins are washed away. Make sure that when we come out of that tirtha, that we also maintain that purity. Navratri is coming up on October 17th to the 25th. We're going to go into a tirtha, or a place of pilgrimage. Be it your home, be it virtually. I'll tell you how we'll do it, because there's limited things that we can do. Be it how you do it, at your home, at the temple, or wherever, let it be a tirth, a place of pilgrimage, where you can engage in a spiritual bath. We will air the bathing ceremony of Ma Durga for you, so you can view it, you can witness it from your home. And as the purpose of witnessing the bath of a murti is that you also should experience an inner bath. You also should experience an inner bathing, an inner cleansing. That physical form of bathing that we do, by witnessing it alone, our aura must change. The murti's aura changed when bathing happens. What about ours? So, we will air that to your home. But what happens when Navratri is finished? Let that cleansing, let that bathing don't stop. Let it keep going. Let it keep going in the form of your sadhana and whatever you do, so that cleansing or cleanliness can remain. That is called tirtham. Najanami muktim layam va kadachit. What do we know about freedom, when we stand before her? What do we know about freedom when we stand before her? She is at all times free. What is freedom? Freedom is when we don't get upset about the little things of life. You know, whether you give Mata Durga 1 pair of puri or 9 pair of puri or 90 pair of puri, she will be pleasant. And if you don't give her any puri and you give her a banana, she will be as pleasant. And if you don't give her anything at all, no banana or no nutmeg or no, she will be as pleasant as she was or she wasn't without anything. And that is called sthira, the ability to be pleasant and constant with and without things. That is what it's referring to us here. That the ability to be pleasant at all times. Najanami mukti. Mukti is freedom. Mukti means freedom. It is not freedom when we die, somebody will pinda for you and you'll go to heaven. That is not freedom. As a matter of fact, you have never experienced what that is, I hope, and don't remember what that is. Sure, we have died many births already. But this freedom that we're talking about is a freedom from everything. There is a saying that we're only humans. We can only react to certain things when people say to us, of course. But we have to be free from remarks. We have to be free from comments. We have to be free from expectations. Right? Freedom is that. When you get or you don't get, you're pleasant. When you get and you don't get, your wishes are fulfilled or they're not fulfilled, you're simply pleasant. That, in its true sense, is what we call mukti, or freedom from dualities, no? Happiness, sorrow, and so on in life. What do we know about mukti, O Mata, when we stand in front of you? Na janami bhaktim vratam vapi matar. What do we know about bhakti, O Mother, when we stand in front of you? You are the mother of bhakti. You are bhakti, you are devotion. Therefore, when we stand in front of you, it is a presence of humility and humility alone. Today, as we, on a Friday evening in Canada here before our long weekend, Thanksgiving long weekend, we give thanks to Ma Durga. As we give thanks, my friends, I know Monday is Thanksgiving, and many of you will be sitting at the table with your family and friends. I hope that you're going to sit at the table with your household alone, because that is what is encouraged. And household means the people living in your home for safety and everything. I hope and pray that we reflect. Every day we reflect. What are we reflecting? Tvameva Mata, Chapita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhus, Jasakha Tvameva. We're thankful to you, God, because you have been my brother, you have been my mother, you have been my friend, you have been my companion, you have been my knowledge, you have been everything to me. And for that, I am thankful and I give gratitude. I'm thankful and I give gratitude. This is the purpose of giving thanks. It makes you as well a better person, to acknowledge what has been given to you, that it has been given by something that is greater than you yourself. Bole Shri Jagadambika Durga Mata Ki Jai. Let us chant the beautiful prayers to Mata Durga and seek her blessings. Just about a week from now, we'll be celebrating Navratri at the temple here. And we're going to sing to her as Mother Bhakti, Mother Shakti, Mother of Devotion, Mother of Peace, Mother of Strength, Mother of Faith, Mother of Light. All of that we will call her. So let us do that today and give thanks and praise to Mata Durga. Namo Divyai Mahadivyai Shivaye Satatam Namah Nama Prakritya Bhadraye Niyatam Pranatasmatam Raudraye Namo Nityaye Gaurye Dhatre Namo Namaha Jyotsnyane Chindurupinye Sukhaye Satatam Namah Kalyane Pranatam Vridhe Siddhe Kurmo Namo Namaha Nairitye Bhubratam Lakshmi Sharvanyete Namo Namaha Durgaye Durgaparaye Saraye Sarvakarinye Kyathai Tathaiva Krishnaye Dhumraye Satatam Namah Ati Saumya Tiraudraye Natatastye Namo Namaha Namo Jagat Pratishtaye Divye Kritye Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu विष्णुमायेति षड्भिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चैतन्येत्या विधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शुद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै
नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
ओ या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः
इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाकुलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्ति दिव्यै नमो नमः क्षितिरूपेण या कृत्स्नमे सद्व्याप्ता स्थिता जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः
ॐ नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः बोले दुर्गा माता की जय. We'll have two bhajans. Bhumika and Vrinda will sing one bhajan each, and then I'll make some announcements for tonight.
हे माता शेरावाली तेरी महिमा है निराली हे माता शेरावाली तेरी महिमा है निराली चरणों में शीश झुकाओ चरणों में शीश झुकाओ तेरी भक्ति में रम जाओ हे माता शेरावाली तेरी महिमा है निराली हे माता शेरावाली जगत जननी माता दयानी जगत जननी माता दयानी जयति जय दुर्गे भवानी जयति जय दुर्गे भवानी अमर पारनी किरण मारनी अमर पारनी किरण मारनी तप कांचन गौरी काया तप कांचन गौरी काया महायोगिनी माता शिवानी महायोगिनी माता शिवानी जयति जय दुर्गे भवानी जयति जय दुर्गे भवानी पार्वती है मैं श्वेत कन्या पार्वती है मैं श्वेत कन्या विश्व विजयनी भुवन धन्या विश्व विजयनी भुवन धन्या रक्त बीज करना शिनी रक्त बीज करना शिनी जयति जय दुर्गे भवानी जयति जय दुर्गे भवानी जगत जननी माता दयानी जगत जननी माता दयानी जयति जय दुर्गे भवानी जयति जय दुर्गे भवानी जयति जय दुर्गे जयति जय दुर्गे जयति जय दुर्गे भवानी
बोले जगदम्बिका दुर्गा माता की जय. So we are about week away rather from Navratri, starting on the 17th, and we have published on our Facebook page the details about Navratri celebration and the notable days like Panchami, the 5th day, Mother Lakshmi. That is in the whole year, Lalita Panchami for Navratri. Lalita Panchami happens on the 5th day in this month. A very beautiful day if you have Meru in your home or a worshipper of Lakshmi Devi to observe some fasting. We'll be talking about that more. The 6th day, Shashti Devi Puja. Then Ashtami, Naumi, and so on. Everything is published for your guidance. So I want to prepare you in advance that we will not be doing the elaborate things that we usually do in the temple. We will be preparing the Durga. Navratri is on as usual. We'll be bathing Ma Durga, elaborate decor and everything we'll be doing. But like our Ashtami Puja, where everybody comes and sit down and do puja, no, we cannot have that, obviously, because of COVID. Shashti Devi Puja, where, everybody embraced their kids and everybody embraced each other, and so we're not going to have that. You're going to have to do that at your home. The temple, where we are, as you know, temples are exempted from the rules that they have, so we are still permitted to have 30% of people in the temple. In our temple, that means a lot of people. But you still have to be 6 feet apart from each other. So we have put all the chairs 6 feet apart, measured it with tape measure, 6 feet apart in the temple here. We did it very precisely, very accurately. Not an inch short of 6 feet. And the number we have come up with here is 50, 50. And that is the number we're sticking by. So there'll be 50 people allowed in the temple at a time to worship. Come and you have a seat, very comfortable chairs. And during Navratri, you'll be a little flexible if, not with the numbers. So if 50 people come and you've done your puja and you want to leave to allows others to come, we'll work it out. But times are different. We will give you all the details about our celebration. So Navratri celebration is on schedule. Every day we're here, but limited. We're not having 9-day V's, Kanya Puja and so on, no. That will not be done. So I'll go through all the details. Your Ashtami Puja, you will all be doing it at home. Everybody will do it at home, just like we did in March, April this year. Make your preparations. I will do it virtually with you, step by step. And your donations, of course, if you're not here to donate, you can always do that online. It's the safest way to do it. Go online and send us your donations. And we look forward to that kind of help as well. For your prasad that you'll be bringing here, no lapsi, puri, halwa, mahambog, nothing cooked. Only if you want to bring a banana or bananas and oranges, peeled fruits, we are allowing that. So the temples, we've talked to other temples as well, what they're doing, and this is some of the safe things. Just as you come in, you'll be taking temperature will be taken, hands will be sanitized and everything, following all the rules. We're doing what we need to do, and if things change, we'll follow that as well. So Navratri celebration is on schedule in a different way. Now, if you want to sponsor an evening virtually or in presence, you can contact Sita. Her number is on the Facebook page, on the flyer as well. You can text her or call her to talk about that. I think all the garlands and the clothing, they're all taken already. They're all gone. But you can contribute to the event itself, buy flowers as well. You can do that. So thank you all very much, and we'll be in touch more. Sunday morning we'll be on air for our Sunday service, and you can join us then as well. Monday evening we'll be doing Shivji Puja, and Tuesday evening Hanumanji Chalisa. So we'll bring more updates as the time goes by. So thank you all again, and be safe, everyone. Be safe, be safe, be safe. I hope you have a blessed Thanksgiving weekend, and follow the rules set aside by the government. Wear your masks wherever you're going, and sanitize yourself. Distance, the whole works. You know what it is. We will do Aarti now in the temple, and we will conclude our service. Om. यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तरकृतानि च तानि सर्वाणि नश्यन्तु प्रदक्षिणां पदे पदे.
ॐ जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी. जय अम्बे गौरी मैया जय श्यामा गौरी. तुमको निश दिन ध्यावत मैया जो निश दिन ध्यावत
सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनां सर्वे सन्तु निरामयं सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। प्रेम से बोलो गणपति भगवान की, पवन सुत हनुमान की, सियावर रामचंद्र की, लक्ष्मी नारायण भगवान की, राधा कृष्ण भगवान की, गुरु महाराज की जय, महागंगा मैया की जय, नवदुर्गा माता की जय, सूर्य नारायण स्वामी की जय, श्री सत्यनारायण भगवान की, सरस्वती माता की, महालक्ष्मी माता की, नमश्चंडिकाय जयकारा शेरवालीला बोल साचे दरबार की जय। नमः पार्वती पतये हर 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 महादेव शंभो। काशी विश्वनाथ भगवान की, सत्य सनातन धर्म की, सब कोई जय जय सीताराम। Jai Sitaram everyone. Have a beautiful evening, enjoyable weekend, and Sunday morning the temple will be open from 9:30 for our Thanksgiving service, if you want to call it that. If few of you can come out, that's great. If not, we'll be on the air. Thank you. Namaste.